Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both your subject clip and the background into Final Cut Pro. Select the green screen footage and place it above the background on the timeline. Once done, make sure playback matches frame rate and resolution. Mismatches cause jitter or color shifts. You should also scrub the clip to identify problem frames with spill or shadows. If the clip has embedded alpha, you can skip keying. Otherwise, proceed to apply keying tools immediately to remove the green layer cleanly. You apply the keyer effect to the foreground clip and sample the most uniform green area with the eyedropper. This tells Final Cut what to remove. Then, adjust strength and spill level to eliminate leftover green edges while preserving fine details like hair. Use the matte tools, shrink, expand, and smooth, to fix fringing, and edge feather to blend the subject into the background. Make sure to toggle the inverted view to inspect matte holes, and add a mask to protect any semi-transparent highlights. You finish by color matching the foreground to the background using color wheels or match color so the composite feels natural. Then render the timeline and export with a codec that preserves quality and color space integrity. If you notice edge flicker or color banding, make sure playback isn't skipping frames and render a small region. If problems persist, step into frame-by-frame cleanup or add a subtle garbage mat. One quick troubleshooting tip. If spill returns after adjustments, lower chroma sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.